Hi and welcome to my channel. So today we are continuing our series. So we want to now do a better obstacle system because right now it's really good, but I want to be more professional, and also we have to have obstacle they moving, so they have also effects and things like that. So we want to do that in this video. So before I start the tutorial, I want to say thank you to everybody that support me, and if you want to support me, you can go to my Patreon page. Depending on your subscription, you're gonna have exclusive videos, access to the video before they publish, and also the project file from this tutorial. Also, you can have early access to my personal game and project, and I can help you to fix your bugs in your game, things like that. And also, I can create animation, blueprints, map for you, complete maps, and things like that, or create a game from scratch, a full game if you want. So if you want to see the videos, it's already available from the Patreon member. You only have to go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel. In the right top here, you're gonna click here. You're gonna have all these lists with the I update this list almost every day. So you're gonna see the new videos already for Patreon, also the exclusive videos already made it, the unpublished tutorial videos, and also the unpublished complete game videos. So if you want to talk with me directly, you can go to my Discord channel. So if you need help in your projects, or maybe you need help in the tutorials or things like that, or something's not working for you, you can write me from the Discord, because for me it's more easy to respond from the Discord than from respond from the YouTube channel. So if you want to send me your game or project so I can play them in the channel for free, or if you want to have the latest news about the games or project, or you want to talk with me privately or in partnership, all you have to do is write me to my email. My email, they're gonna be in the description of this video, and also they're gonna have the link from the Discord and the Patreons. And remember, all the 100% of the money raised from YouTube, Patreon, and sponsorship, it will be for the creation of video game and for the YouTube channel. So thank you, and let's start the tutorial. So open to Unreal, and now we have this system. So you go play, we can play, but there is an error here. I don't like that at all. So I want to fix this first. When they start the game, I don't want to be spawned right away this obstacle. I want to be a little space, like for example right there, or something like that, because this is game breaking, so I don't like that. So go play, you can see all these obstacle systems working, but I want to do this a lot better, and also make this obstacle look very nice, more professional, and also to be more like a game, not like a project. So let's fix first when they spawn this too early. So let's close this, and we need to go to the raw blueprints, and here we made this. Is a little messy, I know, so we want to fix a little here. So here we want to create a variable. Let's call this spawn object. So we want to put this inside here, get, and this is gonna be a branch. So let's connect this with this, and this with this. So if it is true, I want to make this stuff. So to see this outside from the raw blueprint, I want to make this instant editable and also spawn on spawn. So now we can compound save. So now we can go to our game mode, because we have this spawn actor raw blueprint. So I want to spawn this. If you refresh node, you're gonna have now the spawn object. That is great. So let's put this out of the way like that. So I want, when they start a game, I want to spawn object only when they pass a certain number here, because the raw index, we already made this. So I want to, for example, the 1, 2, and 3, or 4, or whatever, you like, they don't start that. So I want to, for example, from the index, if it's equal or less equal. So for example, let's set 1. So if it's 3, they're gonna be 2 blocks away. So maybe let's put 4. So that means we have 3 block space. So we need to check this out first because I want to see how much space we have. So I think three blockings they're gonna be fine. So let's connect this with this, but we need to say not first because this is gonna say yes already. So let's put not to making this false. So not boolean, not boolean. Sorry, not boolean, and connect this to here. So now we can compound save, and let's check this out. So if we go play, now they have that space. So let's do it again. So play again. Now we have a lot of space. Probably it's too much. So let's change this for probably 3. So we have only 1 and 2. So let's compound save. Whoops. Wow. Okay. Compound save. So let's go play. Still probably is too much. So let's do 2. Compound save. Let's go play. Now look a lot better. Yeah, we have space enough to play with this. So I think this is gonna be perfect for this one. So that's it. That fixed the first problem. I don't like it. That when you start the game, they do that. And also now we want to create that better optical system. So let's do that. So let's create that is better spawn system to the obstacle. So let's close this. Also, I think there is wrong here. So let's spawn objects. Sorry, my spelling is sometimes very bad. Okay, so let's compound save, and let's create here this new obstacle. So right now we don't have almost nothing here. So just a few cubes, cylinder, anything like that. So let's put something better here. So I can gonna add here in the content browser. I'm gonna go to add feature and content pack, and let's go to content and let's choose start content. So if you download this, you're gonna have a few things like, for example, you're gonna have walls, floor, windows, some particular like fire, smoke, thing like that, and also you can have a sound, some basic mesh. So that's really great for this tutorial. So also a few materials, they're really good. So let's add this to our project. So if for your games, probably you want something better than this. So you can download from Quixel Bridge. So they're gonna have very good material, and also you can go to Unreal Marketplace. So you're gonna have a lot better asset, but not all are for free. So you have to maybe pay for them, but they're really professional. I recommend it. You buy some stuff from here if you want to create your own games. So now we have a started content, so we have a lot better now. So we have particle now, like fire, thing like that. So let's create some obstacles, really great. So go to folder and the runner, go to blueprints, and let's create here a obstacle. So right click, let's create a new folder, let's call it objects. Open this, and it's gonna be blueprint from class. They're gonna be an actor, and I call it object blueprint. For now, let's open it. This is gonna be the main one. So let's create a few things here. So we're gonna need probably first a static mesh. So it's gonna be a static mesh. So this static mesh, we can choose something right now, but we're gonna leave it blank, and like that for now. So that's gonna be the main one. Later we want to create some logic here, but for now they wanna leave it like that. So let's compound save, and let's close this. So let's make a child from this, and let's call the object 1 blueprint, for example. Oops, blueprint. So let's create this one, and let's choose a static mesh. So let's choose, I don't know, let's choose something good. So let's try. Um, let's see, we have here. Maybe we can turn something basic, maybe sphere for now. So they're gonna be really good. So let's put some material. So let's concrete, something like that. No, we can make our own material. So let's do that. So the compound save. So go to enter running folder, right click, new folder. I'm gonna set materials like that. So we can create a new one. Right click, material, and let's call the color. No, main color material. You can use the name where you like it. So let's open it, and let's put on here some counter 3 vector. Connect this to base color, and let's put like basic, like neutral, something like that, like white. And let's convert this to parameter, and let's call this color. So that means they're gonna be the main color for everything. So save everything. So let's close this when they finish. And here you're gonna right click. Now you can create instant from the main color. So now we can put something like red, for example, red material. So now we can go inside, put color. We can change this to red. So now we have a color. So I don't want to be so bright, so maybe like that. So let's compile. So let's save it. So now we have that red material. So press here, set red, and put this material in here. So now we have this sphere. So also we want to be something cool. So let's put some particles. So particles system, and let's choose maybe some fire. So they're gonna be like a ball of fire. So they're gonna be better. So let's compile and save. So let's see how they look. So if I push the object, let's go to object here. I put it right here. They wanna see we have that fire. So that is really good for now. They're gonna be fine. So also I want to be a little more cool with that. Probably we can make this something. Let's make this rotation. So let's do it here. So I'm gonna add, put rotation, rotating movement. So in here, right now they doing rotation from 180. I think they're gonna be the left to right. I don't really remember this. So let's simulate to see what I can do. Yeah, they go that way. So that's good, but I want to be rolling like a ball. So let's do it bowling. So let's don't use this. I think it's gonna be what? Oh my! So rotation, they're gonna be, this one is X. So X is gonna be this way. Yes, they're gonna be X. So let's put 180. So let's try now. So if we simulate it, now they look something better. So let's see that in the action. So let's go play. Well, let's put this a little more far away so we can see it moving. So let's play. Yeah, they look something better. So let's leave it like that. Also, I believe they're running the wrong direction probably. So maybe it's this one. So 180. Several. Let's try it now. Simulate. No, they go to the other way. So let's try this minus 180 to see what they're looking. So let's simulate. Yeah, now it's opposite. Okay. So you need to play with this. I'm gonna be 180 for now. Or we can just stop it. We don't need this. So only if you want to be rolling. So you know how to make this rolling. So right now I'm gonna leave it like that. So compile and save. So let's spawn that object now here. So now we want to make this from here. So we need to change this system a little bit we created before. So let's close this. So let's go to where we can go. We can go to end the runner, go to blueprints, raw blueprints, and here we want to change this a little bit. So we have the reference here. I don't want to use this anymore, so we can close this and this and probably this too. So let's delete all this stuff because we don't need it anymore, because I want to do another system a lot better on this. So let's disconnect this. If you want to still using this, it's totally fine. It depends on your game, but I want to be more have more effects and things like that. So let's delete all this stuff. And also we can do it now. So let's delete all this stuff. I know there's too many of this stuff, so let's delete, delete, and delete. Okay. So also I don't want to be maybe too many of these because I know it's a lot of these. So let me check. Mesh 1 is too far away. Probably I don't want to use this for the spawn system, and also I don't want to use probably the last one, that one for the spawn system. So they're gonna be better for walls or anything like that. So for that, let's go to spawn mesh. Let's delete 13 and also delete the first one because we don't need for that one. So let's delete that. And also because we want to spawn this probably the same stuff, so we can copy this and delete it and put this in the beginning of all this stuff. So I know they're gonna be, it's better this way. So I don't know when I do it this before, but well, I do it like that. So let's put it here, this one here, this one here. So let's put this in here and this to true, and we can delete all this stuff. Just leave the mesh. We want to use this for another things, so let's put this in here. Okay, so let's do the spawn system. So we have these, so let's delete two of these because I think now we have 11 right now, because minus 1, 12, 11, yes, they're gonna be 11. So we need mesh 2. So we need the location of this. So get a world location, world location. So we have the world location, and if it did go 0, I want to spawn actor from class. So let's do, okay, so let's copy this. Actually, let's delete it. So it's better to put it like this. Okay, so let's spawn this, and the actor, they're gonna be, we can use for now, because I only create one. So let's object number 1, the spawn transformation, let's split this, and it's gonna be the location on mesh 2, like that. So now if we compound save, we go play, we're supposed to be the fire, and they don't do it. So let's figure out why. So if this is true, this mesh number 2, location spawn, it's supposed to work. So let's do it again. So go play. They don't. So let's spawn actor. Okay. So supposed to get world location. Okay, so let's disconnect this to see if it's working or not. So that's true. Compound save. They don't. Why they don't work? Spawn mesh. Okay, so that one's okay. So let's go game mode. Aha. What happened here? Okay, so let's put this in here. So let's refresh this. Why did it happen? That I don't know. Let's compile save. So now they're supposed to work. So let's try it now. That's funny how they do that. Now there you go. Now it's spotted. So that is okay. Let's do a little bit. So if you want to spawn more, you have to do this similar to the other one. So that's fine, but we don't want to spawn this way. So I want to create this promote to variable. So let's put here object class spawn, for example. So example like that. So we can create this like the same. So let's compile and save. Let's do the same in here. We can convert this to an array. So change variable type. Take a little bit. So let's close. So let's compile and save. We can disconnect this. So let's put this again. So now we have again our array. So right now we only have one. So let's do object one blueprint. So let's compile and save and put this get a copy. For example, 0 right now. Let's put this here. So let's compile and save. So let's check this out. So let's go play. They're working the same. So that's perfect. Just one time. Okay, there's another one. Yeah, they have too many. Maybe you need to change this number a little bit, but that's working again. So we can do a random again, things like that, but right now we only have one. So you need to create more obstacles. So that's one example. So you know how to do it right now. So let's do another more. For now, you need to make your own. So let's go to object. You have to use the main one. Also, we can change the name from main object, sound better. So also let's create another child. Let's put object to blueprint. I'm very bad with names, so let's do object 2. So let's have static. Let's change this to here. Let's close this. So let's do another one. I don't know, let's try to put some walls maybe. So let's make that. So let's go to Ender Runner. No, Ender Runner, no, standard content. Props. Let's find so we can find a wall or something like that. Oh, that's material. Okay, so let's go to architecture. Yes. So let's try this one, this wall. So let's paste this in here. So now I want to be this in the middle, so it's gonna be better for position. Something like that. Probably, yeah. So let's compile and save. And also let's change another material. Because red is gonna be here is gonna be created by the instance. Let's try now some gray, for example, material. So let's try this one. So let's do something like that. Probably is okay. So save it. So let's close and choose the material, gray material. So let's compile and save. We can close this now. So let's go again to the other one, blueprint, raw blueprint, and here we want to create another one. Here it's gonna be a new one. It's gonna be object 2. So now we have object 2. So compile and save. So they're gonna give you that one. So this we can make this delete this, put random array of item, and let's connect this to here like that. So that's it. So compile and save. So let's go play. Now they're gonna be a random stuff of this. So also that wall didn't look good in the other one, so we can delete it from here if we want later. But we have now better optical because now it's a blueprint. Also, you can check if this affects too much in the FPS. So let's go here. Let's show FPS. So we have 120. So go play. When they spawn in, they don't really affect too much yet. So we still have 120. So I think there's a ball of fire behind that wall. So that's cool. Yeah, it is. So that's cool. 120. So that's perfect because we don't want to take too many FPS. So right now they're working really great. So that's it. So if you want to make more, you have to do it now. And also you want to put all this stuff again to copy and paste all the time again. Or you can do this promote to variable thing like that, but I want to make like this because I want to be more professional if it's a blueprint, because with blueprint you can make a lot of stuff. So that's gonna be all for this tutorial. So thank you for watching, and let's see you in the next video. So bye bye.